And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Welcome back to the Sea Lion Splash.
Make it a great day!
This is Sea Lion leader Jadson Wieswright, and here are this week's announcements. Kindness Week is coming up. Let's take the lessons we've learned from Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. to be caring, kind, and understanding of other sea lions. The Jogathon continues this week. Let's find ways to increase donations and send sponsored emails. Let's get that Double Dare assembly. There is a practice emergency drill on Tuesday at 10:45. Remember to listen to instructions from your teachers. McGaw's board report is being shared with our Los Alamitos community on Tuesday at the district office at 4 p.m. Let's show up and support Miss Wood and the Sea Lion Chorus. You can also catch it live on YouTube. Third graders are taking the Practice OLSAT test on Wednesday in class. Mr. Larson is hosting the Practice OLSAT test for 4th and 5th graders after school on Wednesday. Report to the Media Center. As a reminder, this is an invitation-only event. The big show is finally here. McGaw Idol takes place on Wednesday at 5 p.m. Best of luck! The All-District Choral Festival rehearsal is on Thursday morning. Make sure you get your tickets soon for this amazing event. Pageant practice is on Thursday after school. Keep practicing your lines and dance moves. That's it, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
Be a cloud.
It's January, and that means some of our sea lions are setting goals for themselves. Let's see what they want to achieve in this new year. How do you want to improve this new year?
I want to improve this new year by being a better writer. I think that I want to improve in this school year by doing more math. I want to put 100% focus into my work.
All right.
I want to learn how to write cursive.
This new year.
Be a good writer. By reading more books and being nicer to my little brother.
All right.
I want to do better in writing.
How do you want to improve this new year?
Be focused. I want to improve my dancing skills. I want to improve by being nicer to my friends. I want to be better at learning cursive.
How do you want to improve for the new year?
I want to improve for my acting career. Ramadan! Ramadan!
Morning, Sea Lions. Have a great day.
We got a robot. Kindergarten.
Mrs. Kim wants to shout out kindergartner Jackie Medina. She says that Jackie works hard in class, at Reading Lab, and at Kinder Club. She smiles and continues to learn each and every week. Way to go, Jackie.
1st grade.
Mrs. Samari is excited for 1st grader Emmett Myers. She says that Emmett did a great job in STEM class today. Way to go, Emmett.
2nd grade.
Our 2nd grade winner is from Miss Aniceto's class. Congratulations to Nicholas Lopez. She says that Nicholas did a fantastic job on his first day back at McGaw. Welcome back, buddy.
3rd grade.
Congratulations to 3rd grader from Miss Yuson's class, Vaughn Slentz. Mrs. Lisa says that Vaughn showed the class what a good listener looks like while at the Media Center. He listened to directions and was even able to tell his classmates what they were supposed to do. And at the end, he helped them check out their books. Way to go, Vaughn.
4th grade.
Congratulations to 4th grader Hugh Wei. Dr. Arya says that Hugh set his goal to be more organized, and he had his Minder Binder complete with a parent signature. Thanks for keeping everyone informed, Hugh. We're proud of you.
5th grade.
Congratulations to 5th grader from Miss Breedlove's class, Brexton Williams. Brexton earned the Secret Student Award, which means he did a fantastic job all day. Way to go.
That's a wrap, Sea Lions. See you next week. Bye.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.